Here we got a 1962 Chevy C10 Pickup. You can see it's got the quad headlights in it. It's got a late model 350. It's got 350 badges on the sides, a C10, and it's lowered. It's lowered too. So see if I can get around, stand back a little more. First, you get the interior. So he's got, looks like he's got the original 4-speed with the granny gear in it. I believe that's what it's in. You know, that's what's in there. Oh, wait a minute, no, that's an automatic. It's an automatic. Fooled me because of the shifter, the way it's coming out, but it's no clutch pedal. It's an automatic. Got the fuel tank relocated back there. Used to be over there, I believe. And you can see it's lowered. Get back a little bit ways. It's a nice body style. And it's got a flat finish to the blue, which is good because you don't have to worry about getting screwed up too much. You touch it up real easy. Matter of fact, I just ordered some desert flat canby paint from El Camino, and I'm gonna start doing that, and I'll probably put like a tree branch pattern on it. That sucker, man. 383 stroker. So get a nice side shot of it. C10 1962 to 350.